Hey everybody, we're just doing a quick video here. We're doing a pond installation. It's a native garden we put in, native lawn over there, veggie boxes, and showing you how to put in the pond liner. There's no easy way at it. You gotta just get a lot of guys doing, pulling it over, and you gotta make sure that you have way extra because you don't wanna have to try to get it spliced in. Splices may not hold, so you want to try to get as big of a piece as possible. So it looks like this is how we're getting it done, and we'll take a closer look at this. We're going to attach it to the skimmer box there where there's going to be a pump going inside, and so yeah, and somebody's going to have to get down there and just kind of jump on it, and that's how you do it. There you go. And the reason it has shelves is because you want it to look like it's like the rocks are in place. We'll do another video on that. Anyway, thanks for joining. This is how you do pond liner.